This is the Queen's famous sweet, a simple dessert but with a flavor worthy of royalty. This dessert will delight your whole family. It's quick, easy, and delicious. Let's start our recipe by adding half a cup of sugar to the pan. Then, stir everything well until it melts completely. And if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. Now, let's add half a tablespoon of butter. I stir very well until the butter melts completely. Now, let's add half a cup of shredded coconut. Then, stir constantly so the coconut doesn't burn. Once it's incorporated into all the caramel, let's add half a can of heavy cream. Add a little heavy cream, then finish by adding the rest. And if you're enjoying our recipes, leave a comment below which city or country you're watching from. I want to send you a big hug and thank you for sharing this recipe. The heavy cream will make our coconut topping very creamy. If you're looking for an unforgettable dessert, this Queen's sweet treat will make your whole family's mouth water. This is the perfect setting. Now set it aside. Then, in another bowl, add a 395-gram can of condensed milk. Next, add a can of heavy cream. Add 200 grams of coconut milk. Then, mix everything thoroughly until combined. This is one of those desserts you have to make. Easy, quick, economical, and delicious. It's perfect for the weekend table. You won't be able to resist. Now, add half a cup of powdered milk and mix until combined. Once done, add a 12-gram package of hydrated unflavored gelatin. Mix thoroughly again. This is the perfect setting. Now, pour this entire mixture into a bowl. Then refrigerate for 30 minutes or until firms. After this time, remove from the refrigerator and add the coconut topping we prepared here on top. Spread it carefully so it doesn't sink into the dessert below. And look how perfect it is. And our dessert is ready. You can now take a slice and serve. And if you've made it this far, leave a rating from 0 to 10. How would you rate this recipe? I really hope you enjoyed it. Now I'll leave it at that. Best regards, and see you in the next recipe.